Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is Face Chart Friday, where I will recreate a look for my face chart that I found on Instagram. And today's face chart is by Sonia Miro. And this is really bright purple, yellow, cool editorial look. And we're doing it with my sissy. Yay, sissy! Say hi, sissy.
Hi guys.
Yes, okay, great. So I'm gonna be doing this look on my sissy. As always, tune in if you want to see the final look. And yeah, here we go. So I'm starting off priming my sister's eyes with Beverly Decay translucent shadow potion. Okay, now I'm taking the pink shade all over her lid and crease. Now I'm taking a purple shade in her crease and blending that. And to intensify the look even more, I'm taking the Kat Von D Center palette and I'm using the shade Sabbiah in her crease and I'm blending that out as well. Taking the Eden shadowing potion and I'm carving out her crease. And here I try to take the yellow shade from the editorial matte palette, but that didn't work. So I took the Kat Von D Center shade and I'm now taking the pink shade underneath her eye and smoking it out. Using the Benefit Curve Brow, I'm giving my sister an arch on her eyebrow. Now I'm just using a Too Faced Born This Way concealer to clean up all my face and, you know, give it a flawless look. This is why the look started off so messy, because I knew I was going to clean it up. I'm taking the Black Radiance contour palette to give them sharp cheekbones that the face chart has, and I'm taking the E.L.F blush as well to give her that pink look. My camera died here, so the quality's a little bit different, but I took the lip palette to make the shade that the face chart had, and I just kept mixing it, and here's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and share. And let us know how we did in the comment down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
No, I got food in my teeth.
Are you ready?
Yeah, well, this stuff is that bright. But yeah.
Alright. 2 hours.
Full charge?
Yeah.
You can't charge it for like 25 minutes?
Come on, let's go. I already started recording this thing.
I think I know the difference between your camera quality.
But let's go.
What?
Alright, sis, do some.
No, my nail's missing. Recording.
Yeah.
Taking pictures.
Okay, but can you do the, like, you know, how the beauty gurus do? Dang, come on now. Let's get with the program. Let's go. Come on now. Give me looks. Give me both. Let's go. Ooh, with the side eye? You know, you look like you belong in them 80 bands.
Why? Because of the way my curls is?
In your makeup. Love is a battlefield. We are strong. No one can tell us we're wrong. Searching our hearts for so long.
I was honey.
Close your eyes so slowly. Why are you taking so long to open them back up? Oh. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 1 hop this time. Okay. Reverse. Reverse. Serving looks, sis. Yes, queen. Alright. you with your model poses. You think you cute? Done.